Hi, little friends. How are you? Good. What we are going to do today? Yes, we have nature treasure today. Let's make something special. I have already made it. You want to check this? Yes, you can check it. I have made this. Look at this. You can make anything with the nature. It doesn't have to look like mine. So what we have? We have some leaves which I have already cut into half, twigs, tree. Look at this, how beautiful it is. And yellow flower. Who likes it? Who likes yellow color? Yellow? Yeah, you like red? I have red color flowers too. Look at this. And I have a fabric which is in yellow color, and I have some pine cones. Look at this. Do you want to feel it? Yeah, you can feel it. How does it feel? Bumpy? Yeah. Hard? Yes. Yes. And we have construction paper. Mine is in black color. You can choose any color. It's up to you. Which color do you like it? Pink? Yes, you can use pink too. So, first of all, what I'm going to do, I am going to make this construction paper with this special. I'm going to dust some white color. Yeah, look at this. Yeah, I have dust some white paint, and now I'm going to rub some glue so I can stick my leaves here. So I'm going to rub this glue. Look at this. You can rub. Yeah, you can rub too. So what we are going to make it, let me show you. You can look mine first, then you can try it. So I'm going to put this leaf on the glue and press it gently like this. Yeah, it looks really nice, isn't it? Yes. So I'm going to all the way down to press these leaves on paper. So these all the things we have found from outside. Yes. Yeah, nature gives us so many things. Flowers, plants. Yes, air too. Yeah, good job. You know everything. So we can use these things to make a craft like this. We are using some leaves and twigs to make a craft. Yeah, I know. You can make anything, dear. It's up to you. You can make a bumpy road. You can make foggy clouds. It's up to you. Look what we did. We made it with a tree. Look at this. You can have a look. It looks good. Now, what we are going to make, we are going to make a path which goes to our hut. Yeah. So I'm going to stick some twigs with the glue onto the paper. Yes, I'm going to press gently. Really nicely. Wow, you have made really beautiful pot. Yeah, you're using twigs. Yeah, it looks really nice. Yes. What? You make, will you make, you make, you made it animal with twigs? Oh, bird. Good job. I like this. Wow. What you did? You stick your leaves on the paper? Wow. How does it feel? Oh wow. Can you make a bird with twig? You can. Good job. Good job. So I'm going to stick this leaf. Uh-oh, it fell down. It's okay. It's okay. I told you, you can make anything with the nature. You can use stones if you want. You can use grass, whatever you like it. So I'm going to stick this here. It doesn't. Let me put some more glue so it'll be easy to stick like this. So I made it a hut. Yeah. I'm going to put this fabric in here so it looks like a door. Okay. I'm going to stick this tree near the house, or you can say hut. You can call anything which you like it. So I'm going to take this some leaves. Oh yes, it looks good now. Okay, I can put this on other side too. Yes, you like it? Good job. So you're making so many things. Wow. Yes, your twig looks like a nest. Yeah, it looks really great. Now we can put some flowers near the hut, so it will look like a proper house, like we are living in a really good, really nice house. So pine cones, I forgot to. Yeah. So it's, yeah, wait. So stick something in here. Yeah. Wow, it looks really beautiful. Yes. So we have made very special nature art. Do you want to check it, mine? So I can take this out first and I'll show you. Look at this. How does it look like? Really nice house? Look at this. You like it? Oh, thank you. Thank you. You look like really nice too. So what are we going to do with this? Let's show your nature art to everyone. And after that, we are going to put this on a special place. Thank you so much. Can we clean up this today? Can we clean up now? Oh, thank you. Thank you. Let's go and clean these things together. Thank you.